Good morning, everyone. Monday morning. Yes, it is. Monday morning. Back at it. All right, 66 project. All the wiring. All new wiring. All the old wiring. Wire loomed everything. Got a small section down there. That's got to be done. That's it. Everything is done. All the new wiring. It's up. Tucked away. Done. New fuel line. Main harness. Tucked away. New box. Sniper box. Multi-spark, whatever it's called. New coil. We're going to get to the distributor in a second. All right, what we got to do, first thing. I got the ratchet on the crank. Now what I got to do is crank with my left hand and put a drill on this. Like that. And run the drill while I'm cranking away. Reason for this? We want the valve train. All of this valve train in here, both sides, to get all lubricated. We're going to send all the fresh oil from the bottom of the pan up all the way through the motor and into the entire valve train. One, that's what you should do, and that's a good thing. Number two, this is a whole new top end kit. New lifters, push rods, the whole shebang. So we want to get the air, all the air, out of the lifters. We want to let all the oil run through them, fully set, call it a day. So, by running this is called a priming tool. We prime the whole engine. This goes right down into the oil pump on the oil pump shaft. Pulls all the oil up by spinning a drill. Okay, crank away on the engine. This way everything goes up and down nice and nice. And everything gets lubed up. All right. Now let's move on to the distributor, to the headache. It's not crazy, but I'm going to show everybody. Okay, here is a beautiful new, look at that, Holley Sniper distributor, right? This wheel was on this, okay? See that? This was pressed. You see the difference in thickness on this shaft? It's pressed on all the way to where that hole is. And that's where this pin goes all the way through it. Now you could see that. See, there's a hole on that side and a hole on this side. All right. This is the wheel that came on this distributor. And right here is where the oil pump, see that? The oil pump shaft goes on in there. And the distributor spins everything nice, right? It was very hard to get this off. Very hard. I had to use a big gear puller. Now this is like this, right? All the way down on there. And then you had to pull it with a gear puller all the way off this shaft without messing all of this up. So we had to use big, thick pieces of rubber. I mean, this thick in the vise. Just to get that off there. See, I'm just telling everybody this because it's silly. But you have to change them because one runs with a different cam. So we got to put this one on now. Right? And there's the new pin. You slide this one on, it seems tighter than the original one. So now you got to get a press machine and press it onto this shaft without messing this all beautiful, nice aluminum on up. Now, I don't know. Can you read that? It says it's recommended to bring all of this to a machinist to have this done. You see, this is how it was. Now, you got to make sure that these measurements line up on that shaft. Otherwise, you damage everything. The motor. It says it right here. If the gear is installed improperly, severe damage to the distributor and the engine block will occur. This is silly. They should have made one for this wheel and then buy another one for the other wheel. So now it's saying also, look, carefully drill the hole through the shaft using the gear as a guide. See that? And install the 1/8" spiral roll pin. So, the new one is tighter than that one. So now I got to press this on somehow without screwing this whole thing up. I don't know if people know that you should change the wheel depending on the cam you're running. Hydraulic roller, solid tappet, you know, you gotta, it tells you. But how much is this thing? You messed this up. I don't like it. That's all I'm saying. It's Holley should sell one like this and then one like this with this wheel on it. That's it. Yo, give me this one. Thank you. Boom, boom, done. Slap it in. It's over. But you got to work for this one. So, that's a Monday morning. Working on this beautiful 66 Mustang. It's coming together. All right. I got to get to work. All your performance needs. Rusty's Garage. When in doubt, throttle out.